Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. Let me show you some fun food ideas for a simple little Halloween dinner. The first item I'm going to show you here, we're taking just a block of white cheese, little mozzarella, whatever you want to do, and making cute little eyes. So we're going to kind of go in the progression, or maybe natural progression. I think we've got 6 recipes here. So this is for a salad. Just make it a little spookier. So once you've got little eyes, got black olives, and there you go. I did some bell peppers on one if you want to make it a little more bloodshot spooky, but just fun. And then next I'm doing some spooky boiled eggs, or I should say deviled eggs. So I take it, cut it in half, kind of round it, and then slice up little spider legs. And not everyone likes olives, plus it takes a while. So I didn't do all of them, about half of them got these cute little spiders on them. Next up, we are going to do some BBQ Worm Sandwiches. So I did kielbasa sausage. You could just do hot dogs, whatever. Slice them up, fry them, and then put them in barbecue sauce with little buns. You can see in the back I just had a mini crock pot where they were sitting in the barbecue sauce to stay warm. A little bit of shredded cheese melted in the buns. And then doing a soup, I will link down to that below. Really, really tasty. It's got ginger, coconut milk, it's got basil, broccoli, spinach, so it's healthy and tasty and perfect for this. And once it's all cooked, we are going to blend it together. You want to make sure to add the basil near the end because basil is a very delicate herb. And this is a perfect fall soup, nice and creamy. And then just in this little carafe that I have, I used a permanent marker, which is perfectly fine because that can be wiped off with some rubbing alcohol later. Now this, we did a little fruit salad, so I am carving out these oranges, going to treat them basically like a pumpkin and make jack-o'-lanterns. And then the innards you can chop up and add to the salad with whatever fruits you would like and stuff them in there. I thought about doing one of these per person. It's easy enough to do, just take some time, or you can do kind of a bigger display like I did. Then I did these candy corn cupcakes. You can check out an older video that I have with a whole compilation of fun little cupcakes and treat ideas. And then for drinks, I used these Skull ice cube trays, just little silicone ones. I have some red or purplish grape juice here that I am freezing. I had to do it over a course of a couple days just because I only had the one mold, but you know, you just put them in a container, pop it in the freezer, and actually I had plenty for a very long time. But once you've got them all ready, you can do this as some cream soda, or I ended up doing it in white grape juice as well, but you just put them in there and they kind of melt and make it change colors, and it's just fun. I ended up serving them with a bowl and ice to keep them cool so they could add them themselves. But here is the spread of everything. I'd love to know in the comments down below which was your favorite. Do you think you'll try doing any of these? I hope you guys have a great Halloween. On a personal note, I'm very sorry I have not been posting much lately. You can see more about that on my last video about kind of where my passion has been going lately and just working on my health and stuff. So I appreciate you subscribing and sharing. If you have not checked out my other Halloween stuff, definitely check out the playlist that I've got linked and in the description for more fun stuff, and we will see you around. Have a great day.